Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's me again, Angel. So for today's video, I'm going to do a review about this new Ever Bilena Matte Color Lock Lippy. So this is the packaging looks like. Right there. And then, ang sabi dito ay, with Power Pigment Technology, this lip crayon has no fade, zero transfer formula that ensures lip color stays vibrant and fresh throughout the day. It locks in true matte color payoff with just one swipe. While its nourishing ingredients, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and nourishing oils keep your lips smooth and moisturized. So, super matte to guys. I mean, matte daw to. Ayun. And then, hindi siya nagta-transfer. And this is, hindi daw nagta-fade. So, kung ano yung color payoff niya sa pag-apply mo, ganun pa rin siya throughout the day. So, itetest natin to. And by the way, guys, as you can tell, I already did my brows, my lashes, and I put some I put some blush. And then, ayan, gamitin na natin to. By the way, guys, ang ganda nito, guys, kasi may hyaluronic acid na siya. By the way, I'm in the shade, ano ba to? Ano ba yung AU? AU natural. AU natural, whatever. So, ayan siya. Okay? And then, ito yung presyo niyan, guys. Yan. Binili ko siya sa Lazada Mall, okay? Sa mismong flagship store na Ever Bilena sa Lazada, okay? And by the way, guys, I'm gonna be using lip liner, ha? Kasi lately, I'm into lip liner, kaya bago ko gamitin to, gusto ko mag-lip liner ako. Okay, so ito na siya. Okay. Napaka-simple lang, okay? So, the packaging is very simple and clean looking. Ayan siya, guys. So, I just have one shade right now. Kasi kailangan natin magtipid, you know what I mean? So, ayun. Again, I'm in the shade AU Natural. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but yeah. Natural. Is it? So, yun siya. So, I'm gonna be using this as a mirror. And then, gamitin ko to as a lip liner, okay? Again, guys, gusto ko kasi mag-lip liner. Okay? Okay. For me, it doesn't have smell kasi doon sa ibang mga beauty products, diba, minsan may amoy siya mabango, ganyan, or sometimes amoy chemical, but this one, it does not have a smell. For me, kasi, ayan, wala talaga siya. And, ayan po ang kanyang itsura. Ayan. And alam niyo ako guys, hindi ako mahilig maglabas maigi ng lip product kasi talagang iniingatan ko yung mga pini-purchase ko. Para hindi naman sayang. Pero ayan siya guys ha. Hindi yan ganyan kahaba lang. Alam ko mahaba pa to. Hindi ko lang siya masyadong nilabas. Okay? So again, kukunin ko yung lip liner ko and then I'm gonna be applying it on my lips kasi why not? Diba? Why not? Eh gusto ko mag-lip liner. You know what guys, bumagsak to kanina nung nagsimula ako. So, buti na lang matibay siya. Alam niyo magkano lang to. Nabili ko lang din sa Lazada to eh. So, ayan, magli-lip line ako. I'm gonna be lining my lips. Dito ako sa area medyo nag-top dito. Yan, yung sa Cupid's bow. Doon ako medyo nilalagpas ko. So, this is my lips looks like right now. I know it looks crazy, but let's trust the process, right? So, gamitin na natin tong matte lippy ng Everbee, okay? Again, I'm in the shade AU Natural. Okay. I'm loving this. Okay guys, the first thing that I noticed when I use this lip product is the pigment though. The pigment is giving. Okay, you know what I mean? Ang ganda ng pigment guys. And look at my lips. It looks nice. It looks juicy even though this is matte. Like, I mean, that's not juicy. It looks big looking, if you know what I mean. But, let me tell you this, guys. I'm gonna be honest, okay? So, as you can tell right here in this area is namamalat ako. Okay? So, my lips is chapped right now. Okay? Kaya, ganyan siya. Ayan. So, yes, nakikita siya. Kaya nga, sabi ko sa inyo, kung namamalat ang labi nyo, i-moisturize nyo maigi ang labi nyo bago nyo gamitin to. And at the same time, make sure nyo na walang mga nakausli-usling balat sa labi nyo kapag gagamit kayo nito. But overall, right now, ang masasabi ko lang is, gusto ko tong product na to. Kasi alam nyo guys, kung hindi ako namamalat right now, pak, ganun talaga to. Ang ganda. Okay? Hindi ako nagbibiro. And again, I am loving the shade that I got. It's giving, you guys. It's really giving. So yeah, you know what guys, I'm gonna be doing a word test, okay? Since it says that this is zero transfer and the pigment is gonna stay throughout the day. I mean, the pigment, yung pinaka-ano niya, yung parang, yung pagka-vibrant ng pigment niya is kung ano daw yan, kung ano yung tsura niya, ganun daw yan throughout the day. So, tignan natin siya, okay? So, the time now is, wait, let me check. So, it's 12:40 p.m. right now. And then, i-update ko kayo guys mamaya, okay? So, ayan siya. Tignan nyo na. Ganyan, tandaan nyo na. You know what guys? Nakaka-fresh ng shade na nakuha ko. So, AU Natural is giving. The shade AU Natural is giving. Hey! So, ayun guys. I-update ko kayo mamaya. Tignan natin kung gaano talaga ito kakatatagal. And then, pag nag-set na to, once this lippy sets on my lips, I'm gonna be doing a, ano ba tawag sa ganon? I'm gonna be kissing the back of my hand just to see if kung may magta-transfer, okay? Mamaya pa yon, okay? I'm gonna be doing that later. I'm just going to wait for a minute just to make sure that the lip product is already set on my lips or absorbed by my lips. Whatever. So, yeah. So, guys, tignan nyo. Di ba? Nakikita nyo ka-fresh yan. Ganda, promise. Oy, ganda. So, again, ayan ang shade ko, ha? AU Natural, Oh, ayan na ha. So, I'm gonna be updating you guys later. Okay, so, nakalimutan ko nga pala gawin yung, ano yun, yung ikikis yung likod ng aking kamay. So, ayan na, super clean. So, dito natin malalaman if this is transfer proof. Transfer proof nga siya. So, i-update ko kayo ulit guys mamaya after a few hours. Alright guys, I'm back and right now it's already 6:20 p.m. and it's almost 6 hours since I put this lip product on my lips. And look at my lips right now. It still look good. And you know what guys, yung kiniklaim nila na vibrant pa rin, na maganda na talagang yung pigment, yung talagang pigment niya is magi-stay, ayan pa rin. Nakita niyo yan sis? Ang tagal ko nang suot to. Inom pa ako ng inom ng tubig and then kakain ako ng, actually 2 times na ako kumakain. And ayan. Again, wala pong nag-transfer. Okay? Wala. So, you know what guys, itong EB na matte lippy nila, sobrang na-appreciate ko kasi sobrang ganda-ganda ako sa shade na nakuha ko, itong AU Natural. And then, ayan, tignan mo nyo naman. Diba? Oh, tignan nyo naman. Diba? Halos walang nabawas mula nung in-apply ko siya. Dito lang talaga sa inner part kasi kumain ako ng kumain. Guys, promise, ang ganda talaga up until now in person. Kung nakikita nyo ako in person, mas ma-appreciate nyo siya. Sobrang ganda pa din, okay? So, ayan. And isa sa napansin ko, even though, excuse me. Even though this is matte, I still feel moisturized dito, yung lip area ko. And you know what, guys? Hindi ko siya ma-explain, but hindi ako, alam mo, hindi ko na-feel na dry yung lips ko kahit na mato. So, which is good yun na. Para sa akin, goods yung ganun. And you know what, guys, ang halagang 295 pesos. For me, ako lang yun, I don't know sa inyo kung anong preference nyo pagdating sa mga presyo. But for me, kapag kasi under 500 pesos siya, kahit na anong makeup product pa yan, for me, para sa akin, is okay pa naman. So, sa 295 pesos, for me, sulit to. Kasi, 6 hours yan. Wala pang transfer, o, diba? Sulit na sulit to, lalo na kung ikaw ay nagtatrabaho or estudyante ka, o kung ikaw yung, kahit nagagala ka lang, mag-i-stay talaga to, sis. Ayan, oo. Diba? Basta i-make sure nyo lang kapag susuotin nyo to, well moisturized ang inyong lips, okay? So, ayan na guys. Tingnan nyo, na-appreciate ko talaga siya mabuti. And itong AU Natural na shade na nakuha ko is nakaka-fresh, okay? Nakaka-fresh siya. Ewan ko ako lang to. Ewan ko. Basta yun. Okay? So, ayun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next video.